Hi guys, it's just me again, Rose, doing another shoe review for you at Shoes of Hollywood. And right now I'm doing the review on the Pleaser KISS-222s. So, oh no, 221, sorry. Alright, so let's have a look. As all your new shoes, they all come with your very sturdy safety bag, and they're also padded on the bottom. So if you do go on holiday or something, they're not going to wreck the rest of your luggage with the heel. So that's really good. As all new shoes, they all come in the nice new package. Alright, so these are the KISS-221s. Look at them. So they're the black and red. And as you can see, they're the 6-inch heel. And the heel, as you can see, goes from the red to the black. And the platform and the top of the heel is matte black. And this material here is called Nubuck, and it's crossed between like satin and it's like a suede kind of satin, and can't really figure out what it feels like, but it's like a Nubuck material, but it's really, really good and sturdy. And you've got the crisscross strap at the front, you've got the black and red, so you've got the shiny red at the bottom here and that Nubuck material. You've got the suede soft black sole, very, very grippy bottom. So there we go. And you've got the zipper at the back, so it's very sturdy when you're walking around. And these shoes are great, you can wear them for anything, dancing, going out, dinners, absolutely anything. They're just so beautiful. And as I'm a size 7, these are a size 7. As most pleasers, they're pretty good to size, like they match size to size, but if you do have a wide set foot, probably best to go up a size. But yeah, there they are. I love that heel, how it's kind of like that ombre red to matte black. But yeah, let's try them on. Because these are the 6-inch heels, they are very, very comfortable and short enough to wear day to day, so these are my favorite. Get that foot. Zip up at the back. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright. So they're very comfy.